My favorite GoPro, I purchased it recently. I always use GoPro, but I had different old versions of it. And recently I switched for this one. The video quality I love. The audio quality is amazing and it is perfect for different purposes. I love to post my videos across different social platforms and it is perfect for vlogs. I love the quality of it a lot. I take it with me if I go kayaking, if I go road trip. It is perfect. It is very lightweight, so I can easily hold it in my hand like that. And there are different options, so you can attach it to different things. And it is so easy to use it. The quality of the video is amazing. I do have different cameras. I even have Nikon, the newest version, very expensive camera, but this one compare like to that is amazing. I mean, honestly, the video quality is great, and I don't even need professional camera anymore. I can just use everything and record everything on GoPro, because I actually very happy with the quality of the sound and everything. And I took it with me to different hikings. I don't feel any shaking. That's what I love about it. And also, I can easily attach it to the bike, to anywhere. I live in Florida, so I travel non-stop on my car and I go different hikings and I take it everywhere, even kayaking on the river. And I love how easy it is to to just start recording. Just one press the button, it starts recording automatically. It's already like recording, and I can easily stop it with one button. And it's already stopped and saved, and it is powering off. That's what I love about it. It is so convenient. It takes like a few seconds to start, to stop. It is very easy to use. And my favorite function is that I can easily transfer all the information I need, like my files, pictures, videos, to my phone. I have iPhone, so I can easily download special app and go to that app, connect my camera to it, and download all the files in just a couple of seconds to my iPhone.